How to view Instagram stories without them knowing. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll guide you on how you can view your Instagram stories without anybody knowing, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So maybe there is someone that you want to view the story secretly of, and you don't want to let them know that you viewed their story. You don't want your name to be shown up in their stories list. Now, in order to do this from an official direct way, there is no way Instagram gives you that sort of privacy option. Even when you come to settings here, you tap the three lines, you go to settings and privacy, you will not find the option to hide your story, seen, replies and anything else as such. That's simply what Instagram doesn't allow. Now, there is only one thing that I can suggest to you personally. So let's say that there is a profile whom you might just want to view the story of, but their account is private. What you can try to do is you can just create a dummy account, and when you create a dummy account, you can just try to follow them from that account, and after they accept your follow request, then of course you can just go ahead and then basically view the stories and so on, and they won't know that it is the real person. Just create a dummy account that they might not have any idea that it is you. Then after only you've done that, you'll be able to view other people's stories in that way. So this is the thing that I can suggest you to view Instagram stories without anybody knowing. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.